Okay, so we are gonna uh, okay, let's we are gonna configure a switch. Okay, what we do, we the switch 2960. Okay, 2960, and we use a computer, first PC here, and very simple, a PC here. And you want to configure the, learn how to configure the switch and connectivity. Okay. Okay. Uh, so what you do first, give this PC a IP address. Okay. The IP address for this one, it could be one. Let me see. Right here, 192.168.1.2. Okay, and then the subnet mask automatically written here. It's 2. This is 2. Just any number. And you configure this PC is make it 3. Okay, 192.168.1.3. Okay, and then now it's time to configure the switch. What we do here, we come here to CLI, click on the switch and then CLI and then enter, and then this is the user mode. When you want to get into the privilege execution mode, you type CON. This is a privilege execution mode, and then we are going to go to global configuration mode. We type configure terminal, CON, and then so let's change the name first. We say host, the name of the switch, host name, whatever you say. We choose an animal like cat. Okay, enter. Oh, I spelled it. I spelled it wrong. So host name. Name. Okay, host name cat. Okay, and then you enter. Cat, you see the cat, the name. And then if you want to use a password and what you do, next time you want to get into this switch, you have to type your password. So what we say, we use line console 0, enter. The line came here. Okay, and then we type password or password the same as cat. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can use that one again. So remember what your password is, and then log in, and then exit, and then enable secret cat. Okay, and then okay, we put this on. Okay, then we want to configure an MOTD banner. You know, when somebody else is going to use that and it warns, it say this way you you write as config T, you write config banner MOTD, and then use the percent here, no access, say. And then you got to save the configuration. You can write copy run start. Copy run start. Copy run start. Okay. Oh, we have to get back to one mode, and then copy run start. What did I put there? Run start. Okay, and then okay. Okay, you got to put this one when it's on its privilege execution mode. Okay, we configure this one, and then we go to the second switch, and then enter, and then enable, enter, config terminal, and then you say the host name is going to be doc. Okay, and then see that it's changed the doc, and then we don't need to put anything here. You know, we have oh no, I should copy. Well, this one you have to go to this mode. Oh. Well, I'm sorry, it should be complete name for that. We use copy copy running config startup config. Okay, running Oh no, this should be not underscore back. Okay, and then a space here. Okay. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna what we didn't config, we didn't give IP address. Okay. Let's see. Config T, and then it's a INT. We are gonna introduce VLAN. Okay. VLAN 1. And then IP address 192. That is gonna be that is gonna be the switch for 192.168.1.10 and 255, 255, 255, 0. You know that these are 255, 255 is the network address. It means 2 to the power of 8, 8, 6, 2, 24, 2 to the power of 24. We are going to have, network. And then just 2 to the power of 8 is going to have, we are going to have host address because there are 8. We will talk about it in the first. So we give this address to this, and then say no shot, no shot. Okay, and then we go to this one. Config T, and then int VLAN 1, enter IP address 192.168.11 and 255. 255. Okay. No shot. Okay, now you want to ping, okay? You want to ping this one to this one. Okay, what you do, you find out the IP address, you say this, copy, and then we go to PC0, and then command prompt say ping the IP address we just copied, and paste here. So it's replying. Means this can get to this, and and it comes back to the privilege mode. And then there is a command here, show VLAN. Okay. So it Okay, the default, we put it on default. We want to know what the IP address for this. IP address for this one is 192, you know, see here, VLAN 1, 192.168.1.10. Okay, now we can see what we can do here. Okay, see, it will answer, you know, reply. Means this one is can connect to this one. Okay, and so this one can connect to this one, and also here the VLAN 1, the IP address is 192.168.1.11, so you can 0.111, the IP address for VLAN, the switch was 0.11. Okay, and then this is gonna get the answer. We got reply. We got reply means this no C4 received, sent 4, received 4, no loss. So we could get in touch with this one, and this one. This is configuring configuring the switch. Now, what we are going to do is say we can show you okay, let's talk about the changing the speed on the interface. You know, the speed and the switch configuration is still, we're talking about switch configuration, speed and duplex. Is the full duplex or half duplex? The speed is 100 or 1000 megabyte, you know, it's megabyte per second. And so if you say, you know, so let's we'll now change this one here to say that we are gonna use gigabyte here, gigabyte 0 to see gigabyte, you know, it's at gigabyte. Okay, now we are going to about the speed and all these. We go to this switch, to this switch. See, is a cat. The cat, that is cat, that the other one is dog. Okay, we go there, and then we say show interface. See here, you said, see the gigabyte 01, you got 01 here. Okay, so here what you do first, you say show interface in this mode. You know, you got it, this command is only for this mode. Interface, we can write int and then G 0\1. See that one. Okay, and then we type enter. See here, I'm going to show you this. See here, it's full duplex and 1000 megabyte per second. Now we are going to change it. Okay, how we change this, the speed? We can speed, say, okay, we are at this switch, cat switch, and we are going to change the speed. We say use global configuration mode, and then you say that which interface. You say, gotta say which interface we have. We are going to change the speed. You are talking about this one here. So what we do, we say interface G means gigabyte, and then 0 like /1. Okay, it asks for this, and then we can change the speed here. We say a speed is 1000. We now say a speed is 100. Okay, and then we can change the duplex. If we want to write it duplex half, we can write duplex half. Okay, duplex half. You enter. Okay, duplex half. Okay, now if we use that command again, what command did we use? Show interface gigab G. Show interface. Yeah, exit. We get exit of this mode and then go to privileged execution mode, and then we type show interface G01. That this one. Oh, is not exit. Enter. See here, I'm going to show you that last time we showed you the speed. What was the speed, and what was the it was half full duplex or half. See, all these things changed here. Half duplex and 100. See, by this command show interface G0, you can change all this. So we can go to this one. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's change for this one too. It's a exit, enter, and for which interface you want to change the speed, you gotta tell. This one is G02, G01 here. For this one is G01. So you say INTG 01. Okay. And we can change the speed. See, if you just write a speed here and then question mark, it is not what kind of a speed does it have. It's a speed, I'm sorry, a speed, and then okay, it said we have 10, 100, 1000 auto speed. Okay, it all kind, we can make it to auto, the speed auto. Okay, or you can change whatever, or you can set it like full. auto, enter. Now if you want to see the things, you got to be in an execution mode. Okay. Okay. We say exit or end. End it goes back to the execution mode. And then you write here show. Show interface G01. Okay, now you see that if you go through this okay, it showed that what we did, we got to, after that we got to save it, is whatever you see. So that's for now. We talked about switch, configuring switch, and all these, and the connectivity, and all these, which showed there are a couple of comments you got to know. For example, you can write show running config, show running oops, config. See, what does it say? It talks about give us some information, that this has 24 of these and 2 gigabyte, and then interface VLAN, the IP address is this one, and then